What's going on, Austin, Texas? Really exciting time today. A deal kind of fell apart at the MarineMax Sail Ski here in Austin, Texas yesterday. We have a boat that is available right now. I'm going to make a video of the actual boat, but considering this could go fast, considering in MarineMax other people can see this inventory and just never know who else can snag this one. This thing's loaded. It's a 2022 G23, the flagship boat back in 2012. This thing changed the industry. Amazing boat, third revision of the hull design. If you look at this thing, it is set for displacing water like no other boat in terms of the way it pushes water and the energy you have from, say, when you're surfing from the front to the back of the wave. There's nothing like it out there. So super stoked to show you this thing right now. And it looks like it's got a reef blue metal flake main, and that thing is gonna be awesome in the sun. This thing's ready for spring. We've got some nice days this winter. It's got some jet black on the whole rear, and then stay with me here, it's got the mystic white on the bottom. On the tower, the spec sheet was a little incomplete, but it looks like it's gonna be second part for sure, reef blue, white maybe. I'm guessing white was the guess because I didn't have that one. Shooting over to the interior, trying to get this as efficiently done as I can for y'all. This is pretty cool. We got mystic white as the interior deck. That's the gel coat underneath the sea deck. It is the mocha sea deck on this one, and they've mixed in Mojave brown with Sahara, which I think really goes well with some of that black you'll see on the seat boxing. And then the features textures is actually soft max. It's a different material. So this thing is awesome. It's got even some black chromax on the inside, but moving forward on this, I'll take you right back. So it's a team edition. This is not a coastal. It's got the 450 6.2 liter engine in it. This is also known as the ZZ6 by PCM. It's the engine you're gonna see this boat stocked with most of the time. It does the job for, I'd say, 99% of the people out there that are wake surfing and wakeboarding in their activities. So this boat right here is loaded. Like I said, this thing's got the enhanced interior audio system, getting you the wave front. It's a speaker that actually shoots up at the windshield and reflects out. It's pretty cool technology on that. It's gonna have your 6 speakers on the inside, and it'll have dual subwoofers rather, sorry. And then it's gonna have 2 tower speakers. It's got the transom remote in the back for adjusting from the back of the boat for the rider. It's got the flight control tower that's actuated. Now the tower will go backwards by power on this one. It's not the telescoping tower. This thing's got the surf select switch for transferring and surfing, a couple ways to do that. It's got the ladder on the back for helping people get on the boat. Fender Pro for making sure your fenders are locked to the perfect height and ready to click in when you roll up to any dock. It's got the heated drivers and love seat. It also does have the heated, it's got the heater in there and defroster as well. Upgraded steering wheel. It's got the pocket door for the air dam, so it just slides in, you won't lose it. It's got battery, it's got 2 dual batteries in it, which is important. It's got the quick mount attachments. If you want to integrate a GoPro, that's going to be the 7 Black and beyond because of GoPro's integration challenges that most companies work with. It's got the cover. It looked like a different cover on it, but it does have the platform cover. So thank y'all for tuning in. You can contact me at 512-774-0866. I would love to get you on this boat. Boats don't come available at the dealership. This thing's locked and loaded very often, and I'm here to get you on the water shredding. This is your wake ambassador, Tom Kinotek, and just contact me. Once again, 512-774-0866 if I can help you with this. You know, your parents want to get it. You know, you yourself are looking to get this boat. Let's get it locked down. Thanks again. Catch y'all.